Okay, part C. It gives us now the same information but in a table. So 4 students study between 2 and 7 hours, P students between 7 and 15, 16 between 15 and 21, and Q between 21 and 24. It says find the value of P and Q. Okay, again guys, my curve is not drawn perfectly accurate. Make sure you are going far more accurately than me. So 7, there are between 0 students study less than 2 hours. So the 2 is the minimum. So between 2 and 7, there are 4. So here, again, not hugely accurate, but here I have, let's go here. Here I have 4 students. So this is 7 and this is 4. Now make sure you see that clearly in your graph. Next one is 15. Where is 15? Well, 15 in my graph actually goes all the way up to 60. So it's something like this. This is 15. And this is 60. So 15 and 60. So what's the value of P? Well, P is how many students are between this and this. Well, how many are between 4 and 60? You could write down 7 hours, four people at 7 and 60 people less than 15. I'm just going to write 60. I'm going to write 60 minus 4 equals 56. So therefore, P equals 56. I can put it in there if you prefer. P equals 56. And then Q, how many students study between 21 and 24 hours? So I need to go to 21 and all the way up to, I'm going to get to, this is 21, I get to 76. Again, you can see that clearly on your exam paper. So how many study between 21 and 24? Well, the answer is 4. So I'm going to put 80 minus 76 equals 4. Therefore Q equals 4. So that's part C done. Part D, he says estimate how many spend more than 15 hours doing homework. Okay, so something maybe I didn't mention at the start is a group of 80 students were randomly selected. So there's actually 320 students in the grade, but they randomly selected 80 students. So really there's 4 times more students than there are in the sample, or than there are in this cumulative frequency graph or this table. So how many spend more than 15 hours doing homework? Well, more than 15, I have 16 plus Q. So let's say 16 plus Q, which is 4, is equal to 20. So in my sample, 20 students, so I'll put here from sample, from my sample, 20 students study more than 15 hours. So to estimate, I don't know exactly, but I can make an estimate because there's actually 4 times more students. So I can say, therefore, 4 times 20 equals 80. So therefore, approximately, it's just an estimate, approximately 80 students. Because let's just repeat that. From the sample, 20 students study more than 15 hours. So if there's 80 students in the sample and there's 320 students in total, I just multiply it by 4 to get what I would expect from the whole grade and not the sample. Hope that makes sense. Okay, I'll do part E in the next video.